Good afternoon, my compatriots in the Philippines and the world. Today is August 29, 2025, the last Friday of August, Sacred Prophetic Graces of 2025. Anyway, I am here in preparation for Monday, first Monday of September 2025, as I celebrate my 84th birthday, Thanksgiving birthday tribute to the University of the Philippines, to the Republic of the Philippines, for all the support given to me so I can do my mission in the Philippines and the world. And this is the most important thing because I brought this and I shared it with my national global network. And I said that the success of the Philippine Republic is linked to the success of the University of Philippines system. And so this is the title, The Spiritual History of the University of the Philippines for the World. This is the President's Covenant Marker, and this is the UP Covenant Monument. Anyway, let me read this. The UP Covenant Monument marker is a symbol of the university's commitment to its mission of public service. The university, or the unveiling of the marker, was a significant event that brought together members of the UP community and other stakeholders. On September 1, 2025, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., the pilgrims, the participants in our UP special event, will begin at the UP Oblation, then to the UP Covenant, the UP Diliman Covenant Monument, and above all, the most important is our beloved University of the Philippines Diliman College of Arts and Letters. Because, for me, it is something that has been haunting me since the burning of the Bulwagang Rizal. Dr. Jose Rizal never left me in peace. Dr. Jose Rizal in my dreams and as I move around since the burning of the UP Diliman, Bulwagang Rizal as the center as the national global heroes call for every leader, citizen, and community. And now, the ultimate pilgrimage objective on September 1, 2025, as I discuss it with our sacred prophetic Dean Jimuel Sinabal of the UP Diliman College of Arts and Letters. So, this is to prepare for every pilgrimage step as we fulfill the University of the Philippines prophetic destiny as the World Pilgrimage Heritage Site for the triumph of holiness, heroism, honor, and creation. And let me tell you that today, I went to attend the Holy Mass in the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Parish of the Holy Sacrifice, offered by Reverend Father Nelson C. Orqueta. And I saw there the landas ng kabayanihan. Landas ng kabanalan. And among them, in the landas ng kabanalan, is the beloved Bishop Alfredo Maubiar, Venerable Bishop Alfredo Maubiar, whose holiness I personally experienced in the Philippine Carmel of St. Joseph in Lucena City, Quezon Province, where St. Teresa of the Child Jesus called me for 5 years. So that experience of mine guided my University of the Philippines system, teaching, extension service, academic and everything, and my pilgrimage to the Philippines and abroad. And above all, let me show this to you because today is August 29, 2025, anniversary, the birth anniversary of Venerable Bishop Obiar, whose birthday coincides when God's merciful love fetched my niece, Marie Christine Alaras Nagamos, in the St. Joseph's Shrine of Quezon City in the Adoration Chapel. So I celebrate all of these graces. Oh heavens, I know that, thank you, Dean Jim Wells, Sinabal, because our discussion a little while ago convinced me that all the promises of Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus to the Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus Living Saints Productions will fulfill the 2025 Europe, United Arab Emirates pilgrimage for the 2025 Transfiguration Temple for the world. Amen. Ayan.